Hello everyone, this is Angel Zhou from BESTA Machine China. Thank you for watching our video. We wish to introduce you our latest bouldering machine. This machine is designed with LCD operation panel, which is very easy for operation. You can see that the feeding speed of this machine is very fast. The material feeding is very smoothly and continuously. This machine is designed for 114mm wooden ice cream sticks. Each time it will bundle 50 pieces. You can see that the packing effect by this machine is very satisfied. Our machine is designed with reasonable structure and with high quality parts, which will ensure the high quality performance of this machine. The output for this machine is very fast, about 50,000 pieces per hour, which is the fastest in current market. This machine should be worked with air compressor. The bundling speed for this machine is 50,000 pieces per hour, which is very fast speed. If you wish to know more information about our machine and the price list, don't hesitate to contact us by email or by WhatsApp. We insist on high-quality machine and the best service. You will see our contact information in this page. Welcome to add our WhatsApp or WeChat. Welcome to contact us and visit us. Thank you for your kind watching. Thank you.